Climate change is impacting songbirds in a number of ways. It's making their ranges move inland, upslope or up mountains and towards the poles. It's also making migratory songbirds disconnected from their normal migratory cycle, and it's causing some species' breeding biology to change. Birds that are put at most risk from climate change are those that nest on isolated mountaintops or mountain ranges, those that breed in narrow corridors along the coast, and those that breed at the limit of their ranges near the poles. The disappearance of one bird from an ecosystem can have cascading consequences to the rest of the system. A good example would be Clark's nutcracker, which is a small crow-like bird that nests in the mountains of western Canada and the United States. Clark's nutcrackers take pine seeds and plant them basically for food during the winter all over the mountains. White bark pine is one of the species that they cache or plant with the seeds. White bark pine is used by grizzly bears, and it's an important cover type in the extreme environments of these alpine zones in the mountains. If the climate change, grizzly bear, white bark pine, and Clark's nutcracker system somehow gets out of sync due to climate change, it can have ramifications for the entire system. We don't know what will happen when a bird goes extinct in an ecosystem, and it's a little bit like taking a piece out of an airplane one rivet at a time. We're never sure when that one rivet, that one bird, that one species is the one that will make the whole thing collapse. We also don't really have a chance to get extinction right if we make a mistake. Once extinction happens, there's no way to reverse it.